Does animal communication help with the health issues of animals? Hi, my name is Akshya Kaure. I'm a nature and animal telepathic communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species telepathically. In this video, I'm going to answer the question if animal communication can help with the health issues of animals. Let's first remember and recap that animal communication means having two-way conversations with the animals. It is similar to having verbal conversations with humans. So everything that a human conversation can provide to us, an animal communication can provide to us as well. So when it comes to the health of the animal communication can really help us understand the animal's perspectives, feelings, and what the animal understands about what's happening with them health wise. This in no way, shape or form can replace or intervene with the advice and expertise of a veterinarian, because that is not our job. Our job is to understand the energy paradigm of the situation. Let me give you an example. A couple of days ago, my dog Tango was severely unwell and had a lot of coughing. Now, this is a pattern with him because he is a brassiphilic dog with a hypoplastic trachea. So, he does get cough a lot of times and he is very susceptible to having kennel cough. He was going through treatment for a week, but the cough did not get better. I kept talking to him and he kept telling me that there is heaviness in the lungs. I visited the doctors thrice, and I was visiting two doctors, and I asked them to get an X-ray done. However, they said that his lungs do not seem to be congested at all, and hence therefore the X-ray was not required. Finally, after 7 days, when he consistently kept telling me his lungs feel very heavy, I took a pro bono action and I went to the vet and I said, nothing doing, I want an X-ray to be done. And we realized that his lungs are filled with fluid and it has a lot of infection, and that's why his cough is not getting better. I regretted not taking this stand earlier, because if I had done, we would have really helped him feel better a lot earlier. However, I just thank Tango for pushing me enough to take that pro bono action eventually, at least, and getting him checked with the doctors. Now, here I wouldn't say I went against a doctor's advice. It was a diagnostic, and therefore I just pushed the vets to do something that they were initially a little reluctant. I'm not even suggesting that the doctors are incapable. They are perfectly capable. They have taken such good care of Tango for the past so many years that he's been with me, that I don't doubt them one bit. I'm just saying that sometimes animals can tell us things that we may miss as their pet parents, or the doctors may miss as their vet, and therefore it is very important to trust them when they share information with us. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that after this video you do listen more to your animal and follow up on the advice that they give us, not only to do with them but also with our personal lives, because they can really guide us in everything that we do. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful.